Like rookie, ground credentials, please. Ground credentials, front and center.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at the Rocket Transport Solutions, get out of here and go.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Oh my god.
Sit.
I'm sitting.
Alright, once you're seated, make sure to buckle your seatbelts. Once those seatbelts are on, activate your consoles by pushing those flashing buttons. Once again, buckle your seatbelts and activate your consoles by pushing those flashing buttons. Alright, now pull up on the yellow tab. Pull up on the yellow tab. Pull on it. Pull on it. There you go.
Pull it.
Pull on the yellow tab. Make sure to work together.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Right there. Pull it back. There you go.
There's the train. Come, Papa. Those Evitites are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves.
Push the button, Mia. Mia.
Blast away.
Mia, the button.
Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
Oh my god.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Whoa!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the
Push the buttons, man.
axiom.
Buttons.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Yeah.
Yes, it's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we can burn die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chu is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. it! You did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be rough. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You'll retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest
was
profit,
actually just
your
moving
cut
around.
minus
It
what
was
you
right
owe me
there.
for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to my home. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Welcome back. Come on out there.
No, we didn't. We got the beam.
All available text, we have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.